Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa loob ng The Ruins, guys. Ito guys, makikita nyo yung bahay, guys. Ang ganda, guys. Ang laki. Ito yung taas nila, guys. Okay lang, hindi ito natapos. Yan, binilagyan nila ng harang yan. Kasi walang sahig. Hindi natapos, guys. Yan, hindi natapos. Sayang, guys. Ang laki. Yan. Talagang ano to. Mansion talaga to, guys.
And Maria Prada took over the running of the property.
Mayroon ditong picture ng may-ari.
With foresight, Raymond began to develop the gardens surrounding the mansion, turned on the original fountain, and welcomed visitors to the ruins.
Tapos yung asawa. Ito yung buong pamilya yata, guys. Oh.
Today, the ruins is the iconic tourist attraction of the province of Negros Occidental.
Ito naman yung may picture sa ilalim. Ito siguro yung mga anak nila, guys. The Lacson Sisters pala. The Lacson Sisters. Ito naman yung The Lacson Siblings.
It has been featured in national and international media, and a popular blog
pinapalabas nila dito, guys.
chosen it as one of the 12
Maganda to, guys, yung gabi.
fascinating ruins of the world.
Yan. Maganda, guys.
Over 100,000 people, both local and foreign tourists, visit the ruins annually, making this attraction
sulit yung bayad mo dito, guys, na 150. Sulit.
On social media.
Kasi ganda talaga sa loob. Yun. Ganda sa loob, guys, oh. Yung bubong nila, guys, oh. Parang ano yung bubong? Ang bubong siguro bago na. Bago. Yung bubong nila, guys, parang binago yan, guys, oh. Ito talagang mga poste yan. Matagal na to. Wala siyang ano man, oh. Wala sa second floor, no? Wala matapos, no? Wala matapos, guys, yung second floor nila, guys, oh. Ngayon, hinarangan na lang nila doon, no? Para walang maakyat kasi delikado. Meron marami na upo dito, parang ano. Kung gusto nila makuha yung kwento ng ano dito, The Ruins, yan dito sila, oh. Doon manonood sila doon sa TV.
It was a time of exploration and discovery. In central Philippines, the late 1800s saw waves of Filipinos crossing the sea from Panay and into fresh territory. With its vast plains and rich volcanic soil, Negros Island promised agricultural bounty. Scions of prominent families in Panay, especially those living in the established settlement of Iloilo, saw the opportunity to expand their affluence and influence. Lucio Lacson and his wife, Clara Ledesma, were from the Molo district of Iloilo. They too migrated to Negros, to the western side of the island known today as the province of Negros Occidental. Here, they settled in Talisay. In this new village, Lucio and Clara raised 8 children. One of the older sons, the revolutionary hero, General Aniceto Lacson, would leave his mark in the island's struggle for independence. The youngest, the well-traveled Mariano, would leave his in the enchanting beauty and tale of the ruins. Welcome to the ruins.
Welcome to The Ruins, guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa The Ruins, guys. Ito yung kwento nila, guys.
In one of his travels to Hong Kong, Don Mariano was enamored by Maria Prada, the daughter of a Portuguese ship captain who had taken root in Macau.
Yan pala yung
courtship led to marriage and a new life in the 440-hectare sugarcane plantation of Don Mariano in Talisay.
Yun, malaki pala yung ano nila, guys. Yung lupain nila.
Maria bore 10 children.
Yun, maraming anak.
On her 11th pregnancy, Maria had an accident that claimed her life and that of her unborn child.
Yun.
Don Mariano fought depression. He wanted to shout to the world his undying love for Maria.
Yan yung kwento nila, guys, oh. Ayan, oh, pag-construct na, guys, ng building.
generations after, a great-grandson would uncover the ruins of the mansion and let Mariano's cry resound forever. Maria's father, the Portuguese ship captain, helped in the building of the mansion. He is credited for inspiring the plans for the Italianate architecture and for shipping in the machuca tiles, chandeliers, and chinaware. He also brought in workers from China to help build the mansion, which took all of 3 years to finish.
Ganda pala nito talaga guys. Oh. Kahit ako nalulula sa sobrang ganda nito guys.
While the common floor areas were done in machuca tiles, the bedrooms for the boys on the ground floor and those for the girls and Mariano on the second floor used 20-meter-long hardwood planks, cut a meter wide. A Belvedere window facing west once provided the perfect view for romantic sunsets.
Kasi ito guys. Mamaya naman.
The structural strength of the mansion is owed largely to the use
Oh guys, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, may mga chandeliers guys. Pero bago na to guys. Ang ganda nila guys talaga. Ito yung ganda nila guys. Marami silang souvenir pala dito guys. Oh. Souvenir shop. Available ang souvenir shop guys. Yan sila guys. Ito yung mga pinto nila guys. Oh. Mga old model. Yan. May mga chandeliers dito guys. Pero ano yan. Ito na siguro yung chandelier dito guys. Kaya lang parang binago lang yata yung mga wiring nito. Pero ito talaga yung display niya guys. Tsaka yung bubong guys oh. Binago lang siguro yung bubong guys kasi bago pa eh. Pero the rest ng mga design ng ilaw is dito talaga yan. Tulad nito guys oh. Ito guys oh. Ang ganda talaga guys oh. Ito yung nakikita natin sa mga Hollywood na ilaw eh oh. Ganda guys. So mayroon itong upuan. Parang kalesa. Ganda guys. Ito yung fountain nila guys oh. Laki. Sama yung front nito. Ito pala. Ito pala yung front niya guys. Ito. Labas tayo guys. Labas tayo. Ito yung fountain guys. Tayo guys ha. Maraming tao pala ngayon dito guys. Kala ko kami lang. Ito guys oh. Lapad guys oh. Yan guys oh. Lapad-lapad. Punta tayo doon sa ano. Yan ito ang fountain niya guys. Yan, ganda guys. Ang fountain nila. Yan. Ganda guys, ang fountain. Yung nakita nyo pala kanina pala doon sa TV, yun yung kwento ni ano, yung mayari nito, si Don Mariano, tsaka yung asawa niya, Mrs. Braga. Yun yung kwento nila. Hindi ko lang pinatapos kasi marami ng taong lumapit sa TV. Ito yung ano guys, oh. Ito yung sa gilid. Ito guys, nakikita nyo guys, ito yung asawa ko guys na sumama sa amin, sa akin. Ito. Namasyal kami kasi day off ngayon. Hindi pwede magtambay sa bahay kasi matutulog lang. Ayun, rides lang. Ito yung labas guys, ito yung labas. Ito yung makikita mong ruins. Oh, ito. Amo pala nigalay mo mga tubangan naman na picturean, di ba? Ito pala yung ano, pala kanina pala guys, doon pala kami nakapasok pala sa gilid niyan. Ito pala yung front. Yun, dito pala yung front niya. Ibig sabihin yung front niya is hindi nakaharap sa ano, sa daanan talaga yung may gate. Sa likod yung gate. Tapos yung sa doon, no, may picture sila doon, no. Pero ito talaga yung kabuuan, no, yan. Kita nyo guys. First time ko makarating dito. Ang ganda guys ng ano nila guys. So sarap sana doon sa taas, kaya lang walang ano, walang sahig. Walang sahig yung taas guys, walang sahig. Yun, marami pa doon, no, mga building, pero ano na yun, bago na siguro yung tinayo. Man, no? Ha?
Restaurant. Kung gabi na, open na sila.
Subali yan yung restaurant pero hindi yan kasali dito sa bahay. Yan. Ginawa lang ito guys ng mga restaurant na yan para sa mga pumupunta dito kung gabi. Yan. Kasi ngayon sarado yung restaurant na yun. No? Yun lang ang open yung isa yon. Yung isa na yon yung open. Yun yung may tao. Yung maraming bisita ngayon guys. Oh. Kala ko kami lang. Meron pala. Kung pupunta kayo dito guys, 150 lang ang adult. Yan. Ang pagbata, yung children is libre lang. Libre lang yung bata. Ganda sana sa taas oh, kaya lang walang sahig guys, hagdan lang. Hindi natapos pa no? Hindi natapos guys, ano. I-post ko rin sa Facebook. Sige na guys, bye bye mamaya, magbibideo ulit ako ng bago. Bye bye.